जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय. The peacock and the crane. In a forest there was a river. There were many trees near that river. Many birds would come there every day. There was a peacock. He was very vain. He always boasted about his beautiful looks. Every day he would go to the bank of that river. He would stand there and admire his own reflection in the water. He would say, "Just look at my tail. Look at the colors in my feathers. Look at me. I must be the most beautiful bird in the world." One day, the peacock saw a crane on the bank. He looked at it and turned his face away. Then he rudely said to the crane, "What a colorless bird you are! Your feathers look so plain and dull." The crane said, "Your feathers are surely beautiful, and mine are not. But so what? With your feathers, you cannot fly very high, while my feathers can carry me high up in the sky." Moral: usefulness is better than mere beauty. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय.